This is my new Cuisinart Burr grinder. I've needed one of these for years, and when I saw this one, I decided it was time to pull the trigger and get it. It's got a little timing lever on the top. Right now it's set on medium, but if you want a coarse grind, you just twist the top this way. If you want a fine or an espresso grind, you twist it in the other direction. I like a drip coffee, so that's kind of a medium grind. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this beautiful, beautiful dark roast coffee. We're gonna stick it into the grinder. And we are going to grind us up some coffee right now. Hit the start button. That's absolutely beautiful. You want to take a look at that? Time to boil up some water and make ourselves a cup of coffee. There is nothing like the smell of coffee made from fresh ground coffee beans. Coffee from freshly ground beans using the Cuisinart Burr grinder. Once you try it, you'll never go back to your old coffee again.